Hi there, students. High and mighty. High in position and mighty, powerful. If you call somebody high and mighty, you're saying that they are arrogant. They're self-important. They think that they're the bee's knees. They think that the sun shines out of their... they think they are so important that they only have time to talk to important people. Ever since my sister was appointed as a High Court judge, she's been so high and mighty that she is completely unbearable. She thinks that she is the best, the most important. So I wish she wouldn't be so high and mighty. Okay, so high and mighty, haughty, scornful, self-important. You think you're better than everyone else. He's no better than the rest of us. So why has he got this high and mighty attitude? Our boss is so high and mighty that everybody hates him. How can you be so high and mighty after all these horrible mistakes that you've made? Conceited. Yeah, she was so high and mighty that she couldn't clean her own house. That was below her. So if you're high and mighty, you think and act as though you're more important than everyone else. Yeah, you're important and influential. You're behaving in a way that shows you think you're more important than everyone else. I'm much too high and mighty to mix with ordinary people like you. No, not true at all. So arrogant, conceited. The high and mighty are the rulers, but nowadays we use it to say that you're behaving in a nasty way. If you call somebody high and mighty, this is critical. Yeah, he was acting all high and mighty. Yeah, he was more important. Yeah, he was too important to know normal people like me. You might imagine that he's quite a high and mighty person, but in fact he's not. He's quite down to earth. He's quite an ordinary, nice bloke. Since he's been promoted, he's got all high and mighty, and he's just unbearable. Okay, so behaving as though you're more important, self-important, condescending, patronizing, yeah, supercilious. You're better than everyone else. You look down on everyone else. You're self-important, a self-important, grandiose, arrogant matter. They talk in a high and mighty way, but well, they're not important at all. They just think they're important. Stop talking and behaving as if you think you're better and more important than everyone else. I cannot stand this high and mighty attitude. It's totally unwarranted. Yeah, offensively self-assured. Exercising power that you don't have. Dominating, domineering, bossy, autocratic. Yeah, so yeah, he's just completely high and mighty. I can't stand these high and mighty people. Yeah, politicians are very high and mighty. They're too important to actually talk to the people they're supposed to be representing. Arrogant, imperialist, pretentious, superior, supercilious, imperious, lordly. So, well, anyway, so a high and mighty attitude is not a nice attitude at all. He's too high and mighty to mix with ordinary people like us. These people only appear high and mighty because we're on our knees. It's nice to see the high and mighty tumble from their position. Yeah, don't act so high and mighty. You're not high and mighty at all. There's no need to get so high and mighty with me. I think you're a bit too high and mighty for yourself. Okay, so high and mighty. Yeah, you're trying to browbeat everyone downwards. High and mighty, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 4 yeah, I'm going to give it a 4 in formality, using formally, using a semi-formal conversation, a semi-formal writing, but not something very formal. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. High and mighty.